Hey guys, so it is 7:39 on a Sunday night and I would like to be in bed right now. But instead, I had to film an impromptu video because the video I was supposed to post this week, I was unable to do it. It's actually sitting in my unlisted right now, but for now we have this, so let's get into it. So this video is going to be a quick one. I'll just be doing some really short press on nails, like really short. I don't think I've ever done nails this short, but I can say I won't be doing them again. So why I'm doing such short nails is that, okay, long story short, I have to go to my work's office in a few days. We work from home, and usually when I do my nails, I just do one hand and I type with the hand that doesn't have nails. So I was just like, am I gonna go to the office with one hand done and just be looking silly? Or am I gonna have both of them really long and end up not being able to type as fast as I need to? So I said short nails and I'll do them as press on so I can just pop them off when I get back home. But for this video to still be like a good video, I decided to adhere my left hand so you could still see how it looks on my hand, and I also really wanted to know how it would look. But all I did was applied my peel off base coat, then I adhered the nails using top coat. And to get these size nails, all I did was cut my extra long coffin tips. It's such a waste, I know, but those are my shortest nail tips. So that's what I had to do. I just realized I got short nail tips in my Macart Mystery nail box, but after I got the nails on, I filed the sides because they were kind of wide, and then I filed the top to get it straight. And I also kind of rounded the corners a little bit because I feel like that looks a lot better with shorter nails. I also went around the cuticle area with my e-file just to kind of make things look a little bit neater. The color I decided to use was this light blue from Gershon, and it's S070. I can't even read that, I hope that was right. So before going with the blue, I was initially going to do a French tip using glitter instead of the white. But I applied that pink color and realized it was way too see-through. That was only one coat of it, but I felt like I'm not even going to waste my time and apply a second coat because it still might be too sheer, because you can see where I've you can see where I've applied the nail, and I just knew it wasn't going to look good. So I opted for the blue instead. What color would you actually say this is? Because on screen it looks really different than how it does in person. In person it looks like a sky blue almost, but I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm low-key colorblind. I don't know. Let me know what color this is. So this is one coat and this is two coats. I applied the second coat off camera. So now for the nail art. So this gel paint, I can't tell you where it's from right now. You'll find out next week. But if you own it or you are familiar with it, then I'm sure you already know. But I don't even know if I can say it, but you'll find out next week. That's all I'm saying. I initially was gonna do the French tip over the blue, but when I tried it, it didn't look that good. So I decided to do it by the cuticle area, and I like this so much more. So I didn't flash cure each finger, I just drew them all and then cured them all at once. Once I was done doing that, I went in with my top coat and just sealed it all in. So I just said the word cured like 10 times because I thought I wasn't saying it properly, and now it sounds weird. Like, you know when you say a word so much and it's like, that sounds odd. So I just double checked on Google to make sure I've been saying it right, because I have 59 videos and it'd be a damn shame if I've said it wrong in every single video. But it is correct because Google is telling me that the British pronunciation is cured. So great. Like right now, I'm just so like off topic. Like this is why I shouldn't film, edit, do my voiceover and try and get it out on the same day, because clearly there's not enough brain cells. So this is going where it shouldn't go. But these are what the nails are looking like. I just feel like they're missing a lot. I mean, it's missing length. That's all I can say. I was trying everything to make it look good. I was posing on my Bath and Body Works lotion. My husband came and tried to take some professional photos of it. Like, I was really trying. I'll show you some of those pictures, but if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.